Alright guys, I already got the bolt out of the bottom here. Got pulled out. Cut the top one off. Go ahead and take it down in. Gotta push this piston in so we can get this top one out. There we go. Alright, that's one wore out strut out. It's gonna be fun trying to place that new one in, and it's gonna be tight. Get this front one on, and then we'll hit this brake caliper up. Sorry guys, I'm holding this bad boy down. Alright guys, and there you go, we got the finished product here, nice and tight, tighten down at the bottom, tighten here at the top. So that's how you do your strut replacement. I'm not going to show you guys how to do the other side, but we are going to get started on this caliper and replace this caliper. Alright guys, we use torque sockets. We got the brake caliper off, currently prying it, brake line disconnected, separated, and this caliper is squirting. Pull it out of it pretty good. There she went. See how bad this bad boy is? All that brake fluid. Been leaking on that for a while. See where it's rubbing there. This bad boy's busted. Alright, time to pull out the new one. Put the new one on. All right, guys, got new battery in. Gonna go ahead and grab these pads here. As easy as they come, guys. Simple pad. Normally I would replace the rotors, but these rotors are good. They're not scratched. Too bad. Since the caliper did fail. Alright, make sure they're tight. Always want them tight. And then you want to put your hardware on. One simple bracket here. One simple bracket. Back around. Hook her right in. Make sure she's on tight. Tighten her up. You don't want to tighten it too far because you don't want to strip it. Tighten it till the fluid stops. Alright guys, got all that together. We got no leaks. Got the brake line hooked up, no leak on the brake line. Got the caliper on, oil change. Need to go ahead and drain all that. She's looking good under here. This has got a front brake fluid leak finished. This has also got us a new strut from the front one rusted. The other one's been done. I done that one by myself. There's no point in showing both of them because that'd be a 40-minute long video. Next video, we're gonna get the rear brakes, rear struts, get all that finished. Sorry that took so long today. I didn't think I was gonna have to do all this. Let's go ahead and end the video here. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, follow on with this project. We're gonna get the rear done. Then after we get all that lined out, it's time for new wheels, new tires, all that fun stuff. So make sure you guys follow along so that you can stay up to date with this build. Soon we got light bars. Already got the light bars purchased. Got a 20-inch for the front. I'm more than likely going to do an off-road bumper here on the front with a 20-inch light bar. Get rid of this chrome crap. I'm not sure about the 40-inch, but I'm going to have a 40-inch either on the top or on the hood. I'm not sure yet. We'll get there when we get there, guys.